Hey there, it's David Cohen, your local home loan expert. And today I wanted to explain some ways that you can reduce your closing costs. Now, the first thing to understand is that there are going to be just fixed costs a part of every mortgage transaction, be it to the lender, be it to your title company, be it to your county and state in regard to transfer and recordation taxes. So what are some ways, what are some things you can do to minimize your closing costs? Well, for starters, it's very much a buyer beware industry. Do your homework. Get a couple of estimates. Take a look at the fees that the lender is charging. Compare that to another lender and see if their fees in exchange for the interest rate they're offering are a little more competitive. In the state of Maryland, where I live and work, the title company that you use to assist you in your purchase transaction or even refinance transaction is the buyer's choice. In other words, the seller does not get to choose the title company that is used for the purchase. The borrower does, the home buyer. So in that case, you have complete control over shopping some of those costs as well. Again, not everyone's created equal. They have different profitability structures. Now, it's never smart, in my opinion, to be penny wise and pound foolish, because sometimes you get what you pay for. Sometimes things that seem too good to be true are, so you have to be careful. But in summary, shopping lenders' fees is one way. Shopping title company fees are another way. Now, there'll be certain closing costs that you just simply can't reduce because they are just a product of your purchase price and loan amount, such as transfer taxes, real estate transfer taxes, and recordation taxes. They are what they are based on the county and state that you're buying in. One other tactic that is used in a more normal market, not the market we're in today. Today is very much a seller's market, which means that there's not a lot of inventory in relation to the buyers. So offers are getting submitted that are extremely aggressive, above asking price, etc. But in a more normalized market, it's not uncommon at all as part of your purchase or offer negotiation to ask for a seller credit toward your closing costs. You can absolutely negotiate that depending on, like I said, the market that you're in. That's something that your realtor can help you do. Your lender can also assist you with the figures to let you know how much assistance you might need. And finally, one other approach that can work is actually accepting a higher interest rate from your lender in exchange for a credit from your lender toward your closing costs. So in the same manner that you may hear lenders charging points or discount points to buy down your rate, the reverse is also true. We can inflate your rate to earn extra profit margin that we can immediately compensate toward your closing costs as a credit. So that is another strategy, as long as you're comfortable with the monthly payment, with the higher interest rate and the credit that you're getting. Obviously every situation is a little bit different, but those are several tactics that you can definitely employ to try and reduce some closing costs. Of course, every situation is unique, so if you have any specific questions, don't hesitate to reach me. You know how to get a hold of me, and I'd be happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you.